Good chilly morning, everyone. Whew. So anyhow, the original plan is to ride from San Francisco to Mill Valley. Check the weather forecast. There is 90% chance of raining, so I decided to cancel the ride and just ride here locally. Although there's still chance of raining, it's 30 to 40%. So hopefully, so far so good. Although the sky is a little bit cloudy, so I'm planning to go to Bethel Island. So it's mostly flat along the way, so it's gonna be a easy ride. So come and join me on this exciting adventure, guys. I haven't been here in Bethel Island. This is my first time riding in Bethel Island, so let's check it out. I think it's a nice place to ride your bike. It's a small community. I think it's a small town. Alright guys, I think we are now in Bethel Island. Actually it did rain a while ago, but thank God it stopped. Weather's nice now. It's still cold, but it's not that bad anymore compared this early morning when I left the house. Alright guys, welcome to Bethel Island, the heart of the Delta. It's beautiful out here. Actually the weather is nice now. It's not that cold anymore. Beautiful. So maybe we can just ride around and explore the area more. It's a beautiful road. It's beautiful. You feel the breeze. It's very relaxing. No cars, so it's very safe. Alright guys, so anyhow I was recording the ride, right? And then for some reason some of the videos has no sound, so I have to go back and record again. Oh my goodness, it's a bummer, but it's all good. It's all good, as long as we enjoy the ride, and as long as you guys enjoy the ride, I'm okay with that. So this is a nice road right here. No cars, it's just you and your bike right here. So this is Bethel Island Road. We're just gonna ride furthermore and see what they have at the end. Beautiful. Whew. It's always nice to ride your bike, guys. So that's why I encourage everyone to go out and ride your bike, especially nowadays that gas are so expensive. I mean, riding your bike is the best way to explore your town, your city, and of course other places. So hopefully I can ride more. I will try to ride more as much as I can. Woo-hoo! What a day. This is a beautiful road. My goodness, it's just me and my bike again. Nice road. I think this is the end of Bethel Island Road, so let's check it out. Hey! Oh my goodness, that dog tried to chase me. So I have to speed it up. Oh Lord. Anyhow guys, we're gonna check out one more place. We're gonna check out their marina, and we'll see what they have in there. Guys, welcome to Bethel Island Marina. It's beautiful out here. It's really quiet, it's very serene. Nice sound of the river. Very relaxing, very relaxing. I'm glad I made it. I'm glad I rode today. It's really nice. And the weather is perfect. So, whew, what a beautiful day. Alright guys, what better way to end a ride with some good breakfast. So I ordered their special breakfast, eggs, sausage, French toast, some syrup, and butter. So it was really a beautiful ride. I hope you like it as much as I do. And don't forget to click the like, subscribe, and notification bell so that way you will be more updated with my adventure. Tell your friends also that we have an exciting adventure. Again, thank you for watching, and I will see you on my next adventure.